Infor Velocity Suite is a package that includes technology and solutions that complement each other. Together, they diagnose, automate, and optimize our customers' processes so they can stay agile, adaptable, and ahead of the competition. Let's go through some examples. It starts with Infor Process Mining to diagnose existing processes like procure to pay. We begin with the landing page, where the first row highlights key end-to-end metrics. Total cases are around 115,000, and the overall cycle time is approximately 43 days. Next, we look at the cycle time trend chart, which compares our data to industry standards, captured through APQC metrics. The overview page also provides sub-process level metrics for a deeper insight. The Process Explorer offers a complete view of all processes from start to finish. It allows you to drill down into each event for detailed analysis. Now, let's move on to Conformance Insights. Customers can define a standard business process flow from our IPC catalog or customize it. Once the standards are set, Conformance Insights help customers quickly identify how many cases are conforming to the standard versus non-conforming. This is shown using predefined metrics on the page. In this case, there are about 60,000 conforming cases and 53,000 non-conforming cases. Different process variants are displayed for both types, highlighting the paths taken by each. Next, in benchmark analysis, even though the initial numbers are way higher than the industry standards, as time passes, the cycle time for this customer is coming down and is outperforming the industry standards, which is a positive sign that can be tracked with our application. After processes are evaluated, there are over a dozen Infor Value+ solutions available to help Infor customers operate more efficiently. In this case, the customer wants to automate invoice processing. Their finance employees are faced with the daily challenge of managing a flood of invoices arriving through email, which need to be manually reviewed, checking each itemization and value to ensure they correspond with the proper purchase order. Looking at the flow, the steps in red are performed manually by the employee for each incoming invoice. Each one is error-prone and time-consuming. This process is fully automated with invoice processing, one of the many solutions in the Infor Value+ catalog. Implemented by Infor experts, the invoice processing solution uses advanced technology, including artificial intelligence and robotic process automation, to capture invoice information, match the invoice to an open PO, and store it in the ERP. It all happens behind the scenes, so the entire flow is streamlined and more efficient than ever before. Last but not least, Infor GenAI optimizes processes by helping users write, summarize, analyze, and translate with the click of a button. For example, when creating a purchase order, there are times when special handling instructions are needed, such as when purchasing hazardous materials. In that case, it's critical the receiving team has special instructions to ensure their safety. In the purchase order's receipt screen, the user clicks on the Comments tab, then adds a comment and gives a title to the instruction. Next, they click the Infor GenAI icon and enter the type of instruction they want. By clicking Generate, they receive guidance and comprehensive steps to safely receive the chemical and insert it into the purchase order receipt, so it's available when and where the receiving team needs it. Diagnose, Automate, and Optimize uses Infor technology and solutions to improve processes. It's all part of the Infor Velocity Suite package.